And we're going to test 3.
I've got really big holes, but I can do tricks like this.
So it's showing yours.
Like, it's pretty decent, I think. Not too big. I need to be in the camera shot.
Then
it's like a space one.
And we got this quite cool one. We got this skeleton one, and we got mixed with camo.
And we got this really heavy one, which is like a metal one.
Really, really strong.
Which can spin really fast. Which is pretty decent.
I did a video like this with my friend George yesterday, and it actually went a little bit pretty well. So we got 3 fidget spinners.
Yep.
And we're going to put them to the test. So which one do you think we should do first? This one, or this one? This one.
Yeah, we're going to get the timer here so you can see it. So we're going to do it all in a fair way. We're going to do one at a time, yeah, shall we?
Yeah, one at a time. I'll press start.
Okay.
Yeah. So 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so we're going to talk about it. This one, I really like it. It's really fast. And it sounds really cool. And this one, like it spins. Leave it, Alfie. Like it spins and it's got big holes.
This one's the loudest one. This one's very loudest. Listen.
I thought it was this one.
So how are we doing? Oh, up to 28 seconds.
I thought that was the loudest.
Yeah.
I think it's this one. Yeah. And can I also make a play noise where I go. Hope you can hear that. I don't know what I did though. Oh, 1 minute.
Oh, we've got 1 minute down so far.
For that one, we tested yesterday.
Not the one my friend George.
That one, it's got 1 minute 42. I think it was.
No, yours. That was
that was 2 minutes.
That was 2 minutes 27. This one was 3 minutes 12. So which one would win?
I think
it's slowing down.
Yeah, I think you
did
like
get above 2 minutes.
Spin like that. It does go really fast at the start, but it really slows down at the end. Like it's the first one to stop, I think. Doesn't have the bearings because if you look closely, it doesn't have.
Oh, it's slowing down.
Okay.
Oh, what is it? Can it hit 2 minutes? Let's see. I think it can hit 2 minutes. Yeah, it will. But it just hit 2 minutes. Oh, it's got over 2 minutes. And stop.
Okay, 2 minutes.
3 seconds.
Okay.
And 79 minutes. So, this one, we should have done it. Right, then. So we're going to test, which one should we test out now? This one?
Right,
Then we'll do that one last, yeah?
Yeah, well,
So we're just going to reset the timer.
Yeah, but we need to write it down, don't we?
Yeah, alright.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about the fidget spinner. So will I. I've got a really banded up nose. And you can do loads of tricks like doing this. I prefer that.
Right, we've got a note. What was that? I need to get a pen.
Oh gosh.
What was that?
2 minutes 3 seconds. 2 minutes 3 seconds.
2.3.
No, that's not how you do it. Oh god. You write it like that. The whole thing. Because
79.
oh no! That looks like
It looks like that, Jack.
no, it doesn't. it should be like this.
Alright,
Okay, we got the
numbers down.
skull one. Okay. Oh fudge.
Right, now we're going for solid.
What's the solid? Oh, this one.
Yeah. Solid.
The one that I think will win.
Right.
So let's reset.
Knock it down.
Okay. Alfie.
Shall I spin? No. No, I just spun the last one. Shall I spin one? No, Jack, don't do that. No, hands stop. Spin it with one spin. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah? And let me look. 3, 2, 1.
Okay,
You see the timer already?
this one you can like, it's got loose bones here, so you can grab it too. But we don't have big hands and we can't flip it right round. They've all gone pretty loose then. Oh cool. Oh gosh. The content. Ooh, 26.
I think we're going to do all of them V, so you spin them all at the same time. Oh, it's actually already slowing down.
Blimey.
Yeah.
Wait, no, stop, Alfie.
Whoa!
40 seconds.
47 seconds. So,
I bet you went like this.
yeah, that's what I did. So, the time's here, 47 seconds. That's actually not bad. So we're going to write that down quickly.
Yeah, it might seem on the camera that it's
47.
like the other way around, 74 seconds.
Point 9.
80.
No, mine's still saying. So, this one. Jack's one. Jack, the moment
My favourite one.
You can spin this. Ready? Hang on. Reset. 3, 2, 1, go.
That wasn't a good spin.
This one here, only 47
didn't
seconds.
really.
This one, 2 minutes. So it's 79. So a good fidget spinner will make is one that would have like weight to it. So if you do that, if you spin it around, it has like some weight.
If you like this kind of setup, you,
Comment down.
comment.
And
I think
oh my word, this video's gone for 8 minutes.
8 minutes. What?
8 minutes.
8 minutes, blimey.
That's actually a lot. So
47, did you say?
yeah.
Oh gosh, I think mine's going to be it.
Yeah, 47 seconds. Yes, it's beat it.
It might be. What was the other one? 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Oh my god.
2 minutes, 3 seconds. 49.
This is intense.
No, will that go on for a minute? It's already gone, hasn't it? 30. Oh wait, no.
I'm impressed with my one because
It's
yesterday
actually gone
it
quite
failed because we all span it at once and we did that last and it was the slowest. Blimey.
Wait, did you test all of them?
Yeah.
This one's particular, my favourite.
Oh, can it go? Be strong. Be strong.
Can we show? Oh my god, 29 seconds. 30.
Okay. Make it to 5.
At least make it to 5. Right, ready? And stop.
1 minute 43. Oh my god.
That's actually not bad.
Yeah, that's actually really good.
Only 20 away from
I've got really bundled up nose.
Yeah, no, only 6 away.
Okay. Let's
No,
make
only-
a tower.
Yeah, 20. Only 20 away. So we might actually do all of them at the same time. So you might.
By reaction.
So pass it. So you might spin them all at the same time, then lap them and see which one actually spins to the fastest. So you put them all on ground like this. And 3. No, timer.
No.
I'll lap them.
Okay. Oh. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. That sounds really
Nice.
That's loud. That's really annoying. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe. So yeah, see you guys.
Oh yeah. And I forgot. Thank you for 5 subscribers. I appreciate it. 5 subscribers in 2 weeks as well, which is actually not bad. So yeah, thank you guys for that. This is my brother, and
I'm getting a YouTube channel soon, so
yeah. So go subscribe to him, and yeah.
See you guys in a bit.
See you guys in the next.